gushing rivers, steep mountains, and coral beaches. India is home to some insane views. Check out the most beautiful spot in each Indian state and union territory. Dal Lake, Jammu and Kashmir. Snow-clad mountains form the perfect backdrop as you take a peaceful boat ride on Srinagar's Dal Lake. Somoridi Lake, Ladakh. Less crowded than the Pangyong Lake, Somoridi is an azure blue paradise nestled 15,000 feet above sea level. Tea Monastery, Himachal Pradesh. When the slanting rays of sunlight hit Spiti Valley's Tea Monastery, the scene is likely to leave you dumbstruck by its sheer beauty. Golden Temple, Punjab. Amritsar's Golden Temple is impressive at all times, but once night falls, the temple gets reflected in the black waters of the pond around it and looks simply surreal. On Gurpurab, thousands of diyas are lit around it, making the view magical. Rose Garden, Chandigarh. When in full bloom, the Rose Garden of Chandigarh is a floral paradise, with roses in rainbow hues and their perfume lingering in the air. Morni Hills, Haryana. From Panchkula, you get a stunning view of the Morni Hills with greenery all around. Jama Masjid, Delhi. Few places capture the soul of Delhi as well as the Jama Masjid, India's largest mosque. Climb up a high rise around the Jama Masjid to view this majestic building set against the backdrop of Old Delhi. Tulip Garden, Uttarakhand. The world's largest tulip garden has opened in the hill town of Munsiari in Uttarakhand. Millions of tulips sway in the breeze with the backdrop of ice-covered peaks. This view can give Europe a run for its money. Nahargarh Fort, Rajasthan. Jaipur's Nahargarh Fort is the best place to watch the sun set over the gorgeous Pink City. Taj Mahal, Uttar Pradesh. No words can do justice to the beauty of Taj Mahal. Agra's grand monuments of love will fill your heart with joy with its architecture and landscape. Mandar Parvat, Bihar. Mandar Parvat in Banka not only offers majestic views but is also significant in Indian mythology. It is home to a unique sculpture of Lord Vishnu. The Run of Kutch, Gujarat. The Run of Kutch is India's great marshland with views that seem out of a sci-fi movie. Unending white lands meet the blue sky at the horizon. Sunset Point. Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. A beautiful hillock near Chakri Tirath offers a mesmerizing view of the sea, the beach and the sunset. Life is peaceful for a few moments at this untouched spot. Rane Falls, Madhya Pradesh. The series of waterfalls over a deep canyon have earned Rane Falls the title of Grand Canyon of India. The granite rocks of the canyon range from pinks to reds and greys in color. Lonar Lake, Maharashtra. The Lonar Lake in Buldana was created when a meteor crashed on Earth. That makes this spot eerie and offbeat in equal parts. Chapora Fort, Goa. The spot made famous by the movie Dil Chahta Hai, Chapora Fort offers seascapes on one hand and grasslands on the other. Paradise Beach, Karnataka. A nighttime visit to Gokarna's Paradise Beach surprises you with a glowing sea, due to thousands of light-producing phytoplanktons. Agati Island, Lakshadweep. Agati Island is home to one of the most exciting landing strips in India, located on a narrow stretch of land in the middle of the Indian Ocean. Alleppey, Kerala. Alleppey is the best place in Kerala to traverse across the backwater. The lagoons, canals and palm trees make for great Instagram shots. Neil Island, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The various interesting rock formations on the beaches of Neil Island add a dramatic character to the place. Pamban Bridge, Tamil Nadu. Taking a train ride across the iconic Pamban Bridge should definitely be on your bucket list. The bridge connects the temple town of Rameshwaram to mainland India. Auroville, Pondicherry. Auroville in Pondicherry seems to have come straight off the pages of a fiction novel. At the heart of this futuristic township lies a golden globe-like structure called the Matri Mandir. Golconda Fort, Telangana. Hyderabad's Golconda Fort used to be the capital of a medieval sultan. Climb to the top of the fort for a mesmerizing view of the city. Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. With the grand statue of Lord Buddha, Amravati is a prime hub for Buddhist pilgrims and a popular spot for tourists. Mukteshwar Temple, Odisha. The 10th century Shiva temple in Old Bhubaneswar is considered a gem of Odissi architecture. With a pretty lotus pond nearby, it also makes for a lovely photo background. Sandakphu, West Bengal. A trek to Sandakphu, the highest peak in West Bengal, will reward you with gorgeous views of Himalayan peaks like Makalu, Lhotse and even Mount Everest on a clear day. Patratu Valley, Jharkhand. If you are a person who enjoys the journey more than the destination, the winding roads and loopy bends of Patratu Valley will tug at your heartstrings. Chitrakoot Falls, Chhattisgarh. India's widest waterfalls, the Chitrakoot Falls, can be found in Jagdalpur. The deafening roar of the Niagara Falls of India is best enjoyed in the monsoon season. Gurdongmar Lake, Sikkim. The second highest lake in India, the Gurdongmar Lake, is situated in North Sikkim. The Sapphire Lake freezes over completely in winter. Majuli River Island, Assam. Take a boat ride over the Brahmaputra River to reach the Majuli Island. The paradise of nature will heal your soul with its beauty and bounty. Sela Pass, Arunachal Pradesh. The high altitude Sela Pass in Tawang receives heavy snowfall and looks enchanting against the mighty mountains. Loktak Lake, Manipur. Moirang's Loktak Lake is famous for the fumdis that float over it, making it one of the most unique views in India. Durtlang Hills, Mizoram. The steep slopes of the Durtlang Hills provide a thrilling hiking experience and enthralling views. Zuku Valley, Nagaland. Located at the border of Nagaland and Manipur, the Zuku Valley represents the endless beauty of the northeast with its verdant hills and stunning sunsets. Nir Mahal, Tripura. India's largest lake palace. The Neer Mahal can be found on the banks of Rudrasagar Lake in Melagarh. Umgot River, Meghalaya. Probably the cleanest river in the country, Umgot River in Rocky has earned the nickname of the optical illusion river. That's because the water is so crystal clear that boats appear to be floating over air. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more videos about the states of India.